Audio, 1, 2, come on. What's going on here? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today I'm having trouble keeping this thing up. We are looking at the Legato Arc. Now, as you can tell, I've got a few extra pairs here, so stick around to the end of the video because I'm gonna be giving these away. All right, so today we're looking at the Legato Arc by Spigen. Now, this is the model R72E wireless headset, ultra wide dynamic sound. Now, these ones actually have a 14mm driver in them, which is actually one of the biggest size drivers you're gonna find in these type of earbuds. So it's supposed to deliver intense bass and it's supposed to have really good sound. Now, this thing actually has 3 built-in equalizer sound modes. Mode number 1, which is normal, then you got something for a little more bass, and then you got one that has more treble. So it's get the best of both worlds, and then right there in between with the normal. So that's really cool. It's got a 600-hour standby battery life with a 10-hour playback time, and it only takes about 2 hours for it to charge. These things are only 1.23 ounces, so they're supposed to be really, really light. Also, the band itself is actually made out of this memory alloy frame. They're actually saying, and I'm quoting, "Be aware that most users will even forget that they're wearing it." So it's supposed to be pretty comfortable. I'll be the judge of that. Plus, there's also a vibration feature, so if you're getting a call, it'll vibrate. So that's pretty cool. Let's just open this thing up. Where's my knife? Oh no, how did it get over here? Ooh, wow, those are really thin. Okay, so first off, we got a little box. We have a couple extra pair of earbuds, about a foot long USB to micro USB cable. Oh my goodness, that is so thin. Yeah, they're really light, only a little over an ounce. Now, this is that memory alloy frame. I'm not sure if it's supposed to, oh, so that means it's supposed to bounce back no matter what. That's really cool, look at that. That's pretty cool. Very flexible. So on the left side, you've got the power button, play and pause. I'm guessing that's probably microphone. Then you got the up and down volume. Is that, oh, it's a slide, look at that. It's a little, yeah, see, it's a little slider. Very cool, I like that. Then on the inside of it, you've got your micro USB port for charging with your LED indicator right there. Now the earbuds, so they pull out like that, and then if you want them to go back in, you just give them a little tug and then let go. That's so cool. I think that might be a little better than having the button because I believe that's less moving parts, which is actually good. So the earbuds, you can see they're very slick looking. They look a little wider than normal. That's because of the 14mm driver that's built into them, but you can see they have the air vent hole in the back. Now that is supposed to give you a better realistic sound. It doesn't feel so closed in. It does have a little curve to it, which is always good. So you just slap them around there. Oh man, I could wear these all day already. I love how it gets thinner in the back, so I mean, it's like it's not even there. Once it gets to the temperature of your neck, you won't notice it. You see how discreet that is? Look at that. All right, I'm gonna power this thing on. Where's the power button? Oh, right here. It vibrated. Whoa. Battery high. That was a really cool sound. I think there's gonna be some pretty good bass in this. There we go, the Legato R72E. Connected, immediate. A very nice, lovely voice too, by the way. Oh, shake test. I really tried too. These things aren't budging. Wow. The bass is thumping. There's a thump to this bass. What? All right, hold on. All right, let's test some bass boosted real quick. What? I don't understand how bass is actually, that kind of bass is coming out of these. I don't know how they have that kind of bass. That is incredible for this type of earbuds. Let's check quality. Good mythical morning. Wow, that sounds good. Hold on a second. I need to figure out the whole mode thing because I just forgot about that. So now if I want to change the equalizer mode, I hit the multi-function button twice while you're listening to music and it'll change it. Oh my goodness. I can't believe the sound that's coming out of here. Okay, so the equalizer mode, basically what it seems to be doing is default seems to be the way to go. If you go with default, then you're getting the bass and the treble in one. If you switch the mode and say you go to bass, it really kind of just sounds like it's lowering the treble and like you could just primarily hear bass. And then the same with treble. If you go to the treble, it lowers the bass and you hear a lot of high. Me personally, I suggest the default because you get the best of both worlds right there. Let me do a distance check real quick. Okay, so I got about 35 feet or so, and then it started cutting out a little bit. Also, I'm gonna do a latency test and to see if it breaks up when it's in my back pocket. Sounds good. I'm not experiencing any kind of latency. It seems pretty in sync. All right, I'm calling Valerie. It's ringing in both ears. That's good. Hello. That sound clear? Like there's no muffle or anything? Cool. That means it's pretty good across the board. Wait a minute. Blop. Sound quality. Sound quality is really, really good. They're highs, mids, and lows. They're all really good. Surprisingly, the bass on these are intense. They're immaculate. Highs and mids, I'm gonna give them a 6, so right above average. Bass for this type of earbud, I'm gonna give it like a 7. I can't believe the bass that are coming out of these things. They're actually really good. Honestly, I've tested out full-fledged headphones that the bass sounds kind of like that. They're really, really good. Comfort-wise, they're really super duper comfortable. The way this is real thin, you will forget that you're wearing these things. The earbuds themselves, they fit so well in the ears and they're so small and discreet. Not only that, but also the vibration feature, that's really cool. So, I mean, if you got them on standby and maybe they're on and connected and you just have them on you like this, you're gonna feel that vibration. So I've got 3 of these bad boys I'm gonna be giving away. Now, go down to the link below. You'll see where it says contest link. The minimum requirement for the contest is to subscribe to the channel. Everything else is optional, but if you go with the other options, then you get more entries into the contest, which in turn means you have more of a chance to win. So definitely go check that out. But I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below for these. If you're looking for sports headphones, yeah, these are a really good way to go. I'm digging these. I would use these for everyday use personally. All right, guys, so that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. Definitely go check these out for yourself. These are definitely worth it. But as for now, get out of here.